Team. I'm so sorry I'm not there. We had a bit of a situation at home and I cannot come to work today. With that being said, this is going to be a quick overview video of what you're going to do this Friday. And you guys have quite a bit to do. So, first things first, you're watching this overview video. Thank you to whoever airplayed it for us today and yesterday. I really appreciate it. And then after this video is up, you are going to spend the rest of today researching. I can't emphasize this enough, so please make sure you're using your time wisely. I've gone through and looked at all of your research notes, and I've put comments on people who really need to work on certain parts. But across the board, every single person needs to work today, and you really need today to keep researching. So please use the time you are given because those research notes are due Wednesday and we only have one more day of in-class work time. Otherwise, it's going to become homework. And just a reminder, this is the larger part of your grade. It is worth a full 20 points. So class is in the LC today, obviously, and it will also be in the LC next Tuesday. And then again, the research notes are going to be due the following day, Wednesday. All right, so quick little check-in for your research notes. Yesterday, I showed you this example. I used Haiti as an example. And I told you that in each of these boxes, the strengths and weaknesses should really be about 2-ish sentences. And they should be specific, including names, years, data, places. Instead of just saying they have term limits every 5 years, be specific. The Freedom House website really goes into explain it. And that may include, if things don't make total sense to you from just that research on the Freedom House website, doing some side research, sort of opening up other tabs, watching videos, looking up infographics often helps to understand especially the electoral process. And if you get stuck, just email me. I can absolutely help you break down some of the more complex text. Nonetheless, it is not going to be okay to get 100% on this, and I know you want to get 100% to just write a few words here. Even just a short sentence is really not enough. When I say strength, I really want you to be specific and detailed. All right, so that's reminder number 1. Reminder number 2. Ooh, really quick. Down once you get to strand F, which a few of you guys got to, not too many of you, but a few of you did. Once you get there, it talks about the judiciary. Just a reminder, we learned about the judicial branch. The judiciary is the court system. And when someone says, is it independent, it means, does the court system actually operate without influence from leaders or businesses, or do they discriminate against certain race groups or religions? The idea is that it works without influence from anything else. So that's what that means, in case you're wondering. And then finally, the rest of it sort of makes sense, but at the bottom, there's a little section for score changes. If there is a score change, again, on your country, it'll say score change. It'll tell you why a score went up or down in a given strand. Copy and paste what it says here, because those score changes are super helpful too. Some of you have a lot of score changes. Some of you don't have any. But wherever it is, again, just a quick copy and paste, throw it at the bottom of your notes. Lastly, let's say you're one of those people who has been using their time wisely and might even be close to the end. Use this rubric to go through and double check that you have everything you need. So again, in order to get a 2 for each of those sections, you need 2 strengths, 2 weaknesses, and all of those are detailed and accurate. Cool? So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, just a reminder, research notes are due Wednesday. We are going to be in the LC on Tuesday for our last work day. Again, email me if you have any questions. Look at my comments on your research notes, and I hope you guys have a great Friday and a fantastic Memorial Day weekend. I will see you on Tuesday.